Okay, so since this is a triangle, this program says the diagram shows a triangle and what is the value of B? And by the way, the B is here in what I'm going to call the red angle. We've got two other angles here. We'll call one of them the blue angle. We'll call one of these the blue angle, and we'll call one of them the green angle. And our notes say that we can add up the three angles of a triangle and always get 360. So we're going to write that equation. The three angles that we're going to add up, the green angle is 44 degrees. You don't have to do these in any order, doesn't matter. 44 degrees for the green angle. The blue angle is 51 degrees. And the red angle is 17 plus B. Let's just do it this way. 17B is what I meant to say. 17B. And if we add up all three of those, according to our notes, it's going to equal 180 degrees. So there's the equation. Make sure you write that down, please, and let me know when you're ready to go. I don't want to go too fast. And if it does go too fast, please stop and replay this. It'll be take your time. You don't have to rush through it. So the terms that are alike here, after you've written it down, are these two terms. They're alike because they're both in degrees. They both have a degree symbol. I know they're different colors, but other than that, they're alike. So we can add up those two like terms. 44 degrees and 51 degrees, I think, adds up to 95 degrees. So let's write what I just said. If we add 95 degrees plus 17b, that's going to add up to 180 degrees. Go ahead and write that equation also. Now, to get this part of the problem that has the b in it, we have to get rid of the part that doesn't have the b in it. We have to get rid of the 95. And I'm going to write what I said. We're going to subtract 95. They've added it, so we're going to subtract 95 from both sides. 95 degrees. Okay? And if we do that, we're going to get 85 degrees. Okay? So those cross off, and we're still going to have the 17b. I might need more room though. Let me move it down or up. Now we're going to have 17b, and so 180 minus 95 is 85 degrees, sorry. And so they have multiplied, or I have multiplied 17 times b, or b times 17. If we multiplied by 17, or if I multiplied by 17, then what you want to do is divide both sides by 17. And when you do that, 85 divided by 17 is going to give us 5. Now that's our 5 degrees. That's our answer. But before we put it in, since this is IXL and it'll take points off if we do something, if we make a mistake, let's check to make sure that we didn't make a mistake. B is 5. So whenever we see B, we should be able to replace it with a 5 degrees. And I'm going to do that here. There's a B up here in this red. Let me zoom in this red part of the triangle. What it says is 17 times B. And if B is 5 degrees, we should be able to multiply 17 times 5 degrees. And I think that'll be 85 degrees. 85 degrees. And I'll write it in red. So the red angle is 85 degrees. The blue angle is 51 degrees. And the green angle is 44 degrees. To check to see if this is right, if we add up all three of these angles, what should we get? We should get 180 degrees. Let's check it out. And it doesn't matter what order you put these in. I'll put the green first, 44 degrees. The red, 85 degrees. And the blue, 51 degrees. Okay. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. We'll put the 0 and carry the 1 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. So that will give us 180 degrees. And that means our answer is right. Our answer is not 180. Our answer, remember, is, we had it a second ago here. Whoops. We had it a second ago. It's right here. B is 5 degrees is our final answer. So I can't quite fit it in here, but I'll blow it up and then we can fit it in there. So in your IXL, you're going to put 5. They already put the degree symbol for you, so you just need to type a 5 in there. Let me set that up so you can see the whole thing. There we go. So we use this triangle sum theorem that says that all of our angles add up to 180 degrees to get our answer.